Today, I'm showing you how to turn off your Android phone, especially when the power button opens the digital assistant instead of the power menu. Let's get started. The problem. On many modern Android devices, when you long press the power button, it opens Google Assistant or Bixby instead of showing the power options. So how do you turn off your phone? The solution. Button combination. Simply press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time for about 2 seconds. Step 1. Access Power Menu. Once you press both buttons together, the power menu will appear on your screen. You'll see 4 options: Power Off, Restart, Emergency Mode, and sometimes Screenshot or other options depending on your device. Step 2. Select Power Off. Tap on the first option, which is Power Off. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure. Step 3. Confirm shutdown. Tap Power Off again to confirm, and your Android phone will begin shutting down. Wait a few seconds and your device will be completely powered off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your Android phone using the volume and power button combination. This works on most Android devices, including Samsung, Google Pixel, and other brands.